We're just unboxing the Outback today. This is the mud guard here. That's the charger. Just want to make sure that everything is good. We haven't had the chance to check it yet before we start sending to our retailers and customers. And then you move this a little bit to the back, straighten up, and then screw it tight. Okay, that's it. For the headset, push this inside. Now we can take it out. Got it. Everything looks good. Screws should be here. The Allen key sets. And Allen key. It's 8 screws in total for extra stability of the headset. This is the assembly of the Outback. Takes literally 2 minutes, including the mudguard. Very quick assembly. Battery removals from here. Battery charging is from here. This is the outlet for the charger, and the battery can be also removed from this side. Same, like similar to the RS. Yeah, the whole thing can come out. You can see here is the battery connections. The battery reads 18.2 amps. Yeah, 48 volts. 18 amps. That's a lot. This is the button to turn on. All right, and then it's very similar to the RS. This button will change the gears, and then double click or turn on the lights. It's on push start now, so we're gonna change it for, when you go to P0, this is mileage or kilometer per hour, and then P1 is cruise control. P2 will be the push start or zero start. Now it's on 0, and then P3 will be back, dual, and front. Okay, and to unlimit the speed, let's do only back for now. We go to P1, we press the brakes, long press on the upper button until you get to P4, and then you change the speed limit to 40 or FF, and then you save. And then now the rear motor should drive. And 20 and almost 50. We'll go for a test ride.